Okay.
Greetings to fellow citizens. I am Arnav of SSRB and DE, and this is my video on how I can make the world a better place. The world today has become a place of mass turmoil. Conflicts, exploitation of resources, and destruction of human life. All are things we see often. At the root of all these problems lies a lack of meaningful education. The digital divide, language barriers, and exam-focused systems stop teens from truly exploring and growing. This matters because without fairness in education, the future will be unjust. My solution to address these problems is inspired by UNSDG 4 of quality education. I will create schools with a new learning model, ensuring hands-on projects and youth-led platforms, enhancing creativity and leadership. Teens can lead this change by running podcasts and volunteering and teaching peers. These schools will be community-driven, where the youth of tomorrow will act as leaders and bring in a fresh perspective. By reimagining education as inclusive and sustainable, we can empower a generation of compassionate leaders to build a fairer, just, and peaceful future.